Hi, gorgeous girls. I am going to talk to you about positivity. Be positive until you believe it. Now, I'm Adele from Get Gorgeous. I'm a nutritionist. I am an exercise professional, and I am also interested in your gorgeous mindset. And part of that is being positive. Now, this vlog is going to show you 5 ways to which you can be positive every day. Fake it until you make it. Your positive attitude is going to have a huge effect, a huge difference on your health and your weight loss. Have you ever wondered why? Why some friends or some women who have similar backgrounds, similar kind of job, and yet they seem happier? Some women seem to have the whole world at the feet. How? Why? Why does everything seem to be going their way? And then you've got the other friends, the other type of friends that are always moaning, always finding out what's wrong with the world, always moaning and complaining or bleating on that they can't lose weight. Their kids are squabbling. They say things like, I'm too busy, I don't have enough money, my husband won't support me, or even worse, my family hold me back. Well, how come we've got 2 types of friends like that? Some people that look like they're ruling the world, and others that just can't get out of bed without moaning about something. Why is it? Well, you don't have to have it all. You don't have to be the perfect supermodel, the fantastic, brilliant person at work or at home. You don't have to have it all to be it all. Just simply believe that you're good and as who you are. Now, when people ask me, how are you, Adele? I say, great, fantastic, I'm feeling really good. I put myself in a good mood, and your body starts to believe it. It doesn't mean that I'm asking you to hide your emotions all day and every day. I'm just asking you to show the world a happy face, and you will reap the rewards. Now, Dean Graziosi talks about the farmer that goes into the field every day. So what he does is he loads his trucks up, his tractor up with his feed. He puts the tractor into gear. He drives to the same field, offloads, goes back, does that 5-10 years. He goes to the same spot. Now, he could do that automatically. His tractor could find the grooves in the road and he'd get to the same spot without thinking about it every day. He could let go of the wheel. Honey, have you let go of your wheel? Are you doing the same thing and hoping that some external factor is suddenly going to come down and help to change the way that you're living your life, losing your weight, or just being happier? Do you think something else is going to do it for you? It comes from you. So rather than changing dramatic lifestyle, start with small habits. Nothing's going to change until you make the change. And don't make it massive, make it small. So 5 ways that you can be positive every day. Number 1, watch your thoughts. Happiness doesn't depend on what you have. It doesn't depend on who you are. It relies on what you think. So if you think yourself happy, you're going to be happy. It works. Number 2, positive affirmations. There was a famous research trial that went on in the 1940s and 50s, Dr. Hugh from France, and he said to all of his patients every day, in every way, I'm feeling better and better. And guess what? They did. So positive affirmations are brilliant. And if you want one of my positive affirmations, give me a bell, email me, adele@get-gorgeous.com, and I'll send you some. Number 3, connect with yourself. Have you ever tried mirror work? Talking into the mirror. I know it feels a bit weird to begin with, but Louise Hay says it's the most effective way of teaching yourself to love yourself. So give it a go. Preen yourself in the mirror. See what happens, even if it's just a giggle. Practice. Number 4, practice visualizations. Create a dream board, a nice settee on your dream board, a lovely cushion on your dream board. It helps. Visualize yourself in that situation, feeling calm and relaxed and all that you want to be. Number 5, be kind to yourself. Instead of constantly saying, I'm rubbish, I never lose weight, I've always been a big girl, I always do things wrong, goes back to watching your thoughts. Be kind to yourself. Take time out. I'm doing the best job that I can in the circumstances. It's okay. How does that sound? 5 things to make you more positive. Try 1 or 2 of them, and if you can, all 5. If you need help, that's groovy. I'm here. Let's chat. The link is there. Follow the link and let's talk about how you can be more positive, how you can change your shape, be happy, and use some nutritional tools and some exercise that suits you and get the whole package. How does that sound? I'm Adele at Get Gorgeous, and I'll speak to you very soon. Bye.